Yo, welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're on episode 6 of backtesting inversions. So far, this is where we're at. We're in 2022 here. We're about break even, down a little bit, I believe. But yeah, we're on Thursday in PM right now. Let me pull up Forex Factory as well. Also in this series, by the way, we're backtesting all of 2022, and then eventually we're going to do 2023 as well. And we're just gathering data on my system to see if it's profitable and how I trade it over a long period of time. But yeah, let's get into it. We're at PM right now. Let's hop on the daily, determine the bias. We have no news here. But yeah, I'm taking my time with this backtesting as well, since I'm trying to make it as realistic as possible. Daily unfilled, fair value gap there. Looks like we're dumping right now, higher time frame, but we do have this daily unfilled here. We could want to tap into, then continue lower. So let's see what the lower time frames tell us. 4-hour swing high here as well. Yes, also has that daily unfilled gap, so I'm gonna mark it up on ES as well. But yeah, it looks like we could want to rebalance towards this. Let's look at the hourly as well. It's pretty bullish. We do have unfilled hourly here below. If we tap into this, I could see longs off this. But yeah, higher time frame, I am leaning more bullish right now. I'm gonna mark this up on ES as well. See if it taps into there, but so let me pull up my fib as well, see where we're at in the range. We are pretty high up in a premium, but yeah, we'll keep this in mind that we are pretty high up right now. Do have this hourly order block here. If we tap into that, into discount, longs would also be pretty good. Swing high here. This would also be a sweep here. Of this low. But yeah, we are reacting off 15-minute order block on ES right now. We're not really reacting, but did tap it. Let's pull up our sessions here, determine higher time frame draw. We do have previous day's high right here, which is also this daily unfilled fair value gap. So that is a pretty good draw on liquidity. So that aligns with my bullish bias. But yeah, 15-minute swing here. Let's see if we got Asia low or anything. Mark this up on ES as well. Got London here. As well as previous day's low down here, which is also near Asia low. Looks like we do have a SMT though. Hold up. Was this SMT with previous day's low? Yes. Shit, that's weird. It says here that previous day's low is 1630. Alright. So it looks like that's what gave the move bullish. SMT there. Gave this move. Okay, let's hop on the 5 minute. Also, let's see what we're forming here. Looking for any breakers, anything like that. This breaker here. Tap in. Respected that breaker. This LR above as well. So it's 5 minute untapped fair value gap. Okay, let's see how we open up. So got equal highs above. So yeah, I do like longs if we can open up lower at market open. Ideally, I want some longs here. Low resistance liquidity here, this trend line liquidity. And if we could tap lower into this hourly, I do like longs a lot. Breaker respected bullish. Also got this breaker here, reacted off there. So yeah, I do think we could deliver lower here, and then if we can get longs, I'll be clean. See how we open up here. Alright, straight up dumping. See if we can tap the hourly OB. Is this SMT? No, it's not. I do want more structure here. Did tap into that hourly. So we're gonna leave behind 15 minute here. Unfilled for value gap above. Good draw on liquidity there. We're gonna see how this hourly closes. If we inverse this bearish, then that'll determine our bias. Okay, right now I am more bullish. I mean, if we do want to sell off, I think we could sell off towards London low and Asia low here. We are still up in a premium. Could make sense. Yes, also tap the hourly now. Oh wait, what? Oh yeah, it's PM. Yo, I'm tripping, bro. Straight up forgot it was PM. So we do have this low, New York low right there. So yeah, PM, we'll see what happens here. So 1 PM here, open up low. And we're just chopping up here. Let's see if we can tap that hourly OB. But right now we're just chopping. Alright, nice. So we tap that hourly order block. Now I do like longs a lot. Let's see. But we could want to just run lower now. Towards this low. But yeah, hourly inverse here. See what time is it? 1400, open high, no entry, 5-minute inverse, super far away, no entry on that short. But yeah, definitely bearish. Now that hourly inverse, I think we want to run this session high here, this New York low. Let's see what we do here. 5-minute here, we'll see if we tap into there. Also want to see if we open up that 15-minute. Alright, so we just swept out that hourly low. SMT there. Do like longs here, nice SMT. Also 15-minute gap unfilled above us. We are now deep in the discount. Delivery off OTE almost. I believe if we pull this from this hourly leg, nice reaction off of OTE. Nice wick out of there. Let's see. Depends how you pull the fib, but deep in discount as well. Tap into 0.62 / OTE if you run the fib from here. So yeah, I do like longs a lot here. Hourly 15. Just trying to look and see what could be opposing this. We do have this nice SMT here as well. A good SMT. Also gonna mark this up on ES in case it doesn't hold. It looks like this 1 minute though is the only inversion in this leg. Actually does look pretty good. But what's concerning me is this 5-minute opens up in 2 minutes 35. So this is a little bit early, but I think I'm gonna try this. 30 open low as well. Run stops here at this low. Target unfilled 15-minute equilibrium as well. But it is 2:30 p.m. a little bit late in the session. Honestly, probably wouldn't take this. It's very late in the session. 14:32. I think that's 2:30. Yeah, 2:32 p.m. I'd probably be off the charts, honestly. Stick around to like 2:30. But yeah, I wouldn't be on the charts here. But let's see if it will play out. For this back testing, I'm doing my kill zone of AM session until, which is 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then PM, 1 p.m. to about 2:30 p.m. the latest. So yeah, this is outside of my window, but we're in a forward test to see if it works. It is equal. Not equal highs. Do have equal highs here. A lower above. Still looks super good, but we'll sit this one out. Low hanging fruit though is that 15-minute rebalance. Also, what's sketching me out is this 5-minute opens up in about 2 minutes, so we could be stuck in between this 5-minute. So yeah, I'm gonna sit this out. It does look good though, but let's see. 1-minute inversion. Yeah, so now in a minute, this unfilled 5 minutes about to open up. So yeah, I'm not in this. Yeah, so this 5-minute opened up here, which would have to be a break-even point. But yeah, the main reason I didn't like this was, and the main reason I didn't take it was because it was late in my trading session. It was 2:30 p.m. so time wasn't aligned. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, so just saved myself from a loss there because time was not aligned. But yeah, SMT 1-minute inversion failed. 5-minute didn't even get traded back to. And yeah, just too bearish overall. So yeah, we'll go next day. I believe Friday AM now. So yeah, no trades Thursday. We'll see on Friday what we could do. We are down on this week, so gonna be waiting patiently for something A+. Also, let's review these. I want to see what this trade was. SMT. This actually looked pretty similar to what we just didn't take right now. But yeah, this looked like it worked. Just got chopped up here. I just want to review this trade, or this week's losses here. Looks like SMT 1-minute inversion. Wicked out and then hit TP, or wicked out and then hit my break-even level. So yeah, this is just unfortunate. Wicked out by like 2 ticks. But yeah, both setups here did look good. Alright, we're on Friday now. Got no news. No red folder news. Gonna hop on the daily. Determine a bias. Definitely leaning more bearish. Oh, yeah, actually ES is just uncorrelated. But yeah, it looks like this is just a sell model here that needs to complete. It's like this breaker here held, higher time frame breaker. Yeah, so here I'm just super bearish towards like these lows here, this daily swing. It looks like we're almost there. And then as well as this daily swing, which would both be SMT. But yeah, we'll mark it up. Right there. We do have this unfilled daily above. Just gonna keep that in mind. 4 hour. But yeah, we are inside of a 4 hour bearish gap right now. Looks like we do have this 4 hour swing below us as well. Right there. Mark that up. But yeah, gonna be leaning more bearish here. Let's see the hourly. It's the hourly telling us. Anticipating bearish breaker as well, possibly higher time frame. But we do have this hourly unfilled fair value gap here. Which I do want to see get traded back into before shorting, ideally. But yeah, we are delivering right now from here. It's bearish hourly. Also gonna mark up this above here. It's an hourly unfilled fair value gap there. Gonna keep that marked up. But it looks like ES already tapped into this. So I'm not too worried about it. Oh, fair value gap SMT there. But yeah, 15 minute, let's see what's going on. Low, high, lower, low. Potential bearish breaker, but what is this? High, lower, low. Holding this bearish breaker area here. Up close candle here. So up close candle here, this OB inside this breaker is being held. High, low, higher high, lower low displacement. Holding the breaker. Do have this 15-minute gap. Right there being held, supporting price as well. As well as a low 15-minute fair value gap here. But yeah, let's throw our session indicator on. Looks like took out Asia. Wait, no, took out London here. Keep that in mind. Gave the move lower. unfilled hourly above. This is a SMT hourly. Looks like we did take out previous day's low there. And right here we have Asia low. So we're gonna keep this in mind there. But yeah, other than that, previous day's high all the way up here. So if we do flip bullish, if we start closing above these highs here, we could want to continue up towards previous day's high here. It is pretty far away, but it's definitely a possibility. Right now we just had this distribution move lower. It looks like this was during Thursday, during like Asia. So yeah, we did have a big move overnight. So we are kind of accumulating here. This isn't the best condition. After having a big big move, typically tend to accumulate a little bit, like how we're doing here. But let's hop on the 5 minute. Alright, let's go market open. Got everything marked up. My bias right now is pretty bearish until Asia low, because higher time frame, it just looks like we want to run out this daily low here. It just looks super obvious. First though, I think we could want to retrace a little bit higher. Maybe tap into this hourly, maybe sweep out this hourly high potentially, which was at 5 a.m. 5:15, so a little bit past London, but is that high SMT though? It is not. But we're gonna mark it up on ES as well. It is pretty significant. If we get market open higher, take that out. 930 Judas, continue us lower, that would be pretty fire. But yeah, alright, nice 930 open high, took out liquidity there. SMT now at that high with the 9:30 a.m. Judas. Nice SMT right there. Mark up 9:30 low here. Nice SMT as well. Could deliver us lower right now. A nice SMT there playing out. See if we have an entry here. There is this 4 minute, it is a little bit high up. But you're gonna mark up my range here as well. Still in a premium. Looks like we could still hold this breaker block. Was this an unfilled 5 minute? That's actually a really good draw on liquidity. 5 minute fair value gap unfilled at that 9:30 a.m. low. If we inverse this 4 minute, I'll take the short, but I doubt we'll get an entry. 9:44. Yeah, no entry, but this SMT here did cook, but I'm only back testing inversion entries here right now. This is probably gonna deliver lower towards Asia low as well. But yeah, that's also why I was back testing the SMT entries, because they give huge moves like this. But yeah, we did take out this low now, which is a SMT. $15-minute held. Yeah, wait, what is this 15? Looks like this 15 minutes gonna hold here. So let's just wait for price to do something. I am still bearish. Let's see if we hold this 4-minute or not. This is a bullish anticipatory breaker though. Low, high, lower, low. SMT inside 15-minute could deliver us higher. Also that 5-minute inverse delivering right now off this 4-minute bearish gap. Looks like this breaker is holding as well bearish. So yeah, let's see if we on entry here. We'll take this 2-minute short if we get it. This looks pretty good. Closure 952, one more candle. Alright, and we did get it. 952. This should run here towards, we are in discount though in this 15. A little bit sketched out by this. If we have equal lows though, I'm gonna probably try it, but we do have like SMT as well. Alright, we do have this low resistance liquidity as well, which makes me like this setup a lot more. Equal lows, please. Alright, nice. Equal lows right here. Let's see if we got any more. That's probably about it. Let's see. But this actually does look super good. Higher time frame. Looks like we want to sell off right now. SMT at the high. We do have this SMT, but I don't think it's about to hold. This bearish breaker held. 2-minute inversion. The thing is, this inversion is a little bit low in premium. Wait, what? Yo, what? Why does it now show that there's no 2-minute fair value gap, bro? What? Is fxreplay bugging? Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna try this. So highest time frame here is this 1 minute. There's SMT here, but I don't think it's gonna hold. Yo, I don't know why, but fxreplay just bugged out. So highest time frame here is that 1 minute. So we're gonna take this short. Yeah, before fxreplay showed that there was a 2-minute inversion. Pretty wide stops here though. Target equal lows. Honestly, looking at this RR here is not even worth it. And the SMT there, so Asia lows. I just don't like this RR and this 15-minute fail to inverse here. $60-point stop loss is kind of wild. But yeah, break even would be here. But yeah, honestly, for me, RR here is not worth it. TP1 here, and then I would have to TP1 at equal lows, which is the low hanging fruit. And we're in a 15-minute equal lows, and then full target would be like Asia lows here, but I do like the delivery off this 1 minute here, but I just don't like the RR on this trade. So I think I'm gonna sit this one out. We are delivering off premium though. I will try it. I mean, I'm just like hesitating too much because we already took 2 L's, but this does look super good. Also got this low order block, and something I like is this tap of the 1 minute and then delivery looks super good. So we'll try this. Break even is right here, this internal low. But yeah, this looks good. Alright, so risk free there. And the thing is here, I would honestly like the low hanging fruit here is these equal lows. And say I was to take off 50% here and then leave the runner here, I'll literally make like below 1R. So it's really not worth it to do that. It's either worth it to either full close at the equal lows or hold without taking any profits till Asia low, which it is LRL. Could be a good run of that liquidity, but we easily could react off of the equal lows here. But yeah, I'm anticipating this LRL run, as well as looking at the 5 minute high low higher high SMT, anticipating a 5 minute breaker block as well, which would be pretty nice. Closure is at 9:55. This would be like ABS type of model. So yeah, I'm gonna do 1 TP at Asia lows. So yeah, we should run through these equal lows though right now. And the reason I also did like this, I was about a hezzy on this, but then I saw we're delivering off this 4 minute SMT at the high, and this is what made me want to take this. We were actually delivering from a premium here off above this yellow line, but yeah. Alright, so equal lows we're taking, not yet. Equal lows are right here. But yeah, equal lows taken here. We could easily react and run back to break even, but 5 minute closed below. Also 5 minute here reacted off this breaker block. So we already rebounced that PD array. High, low, higher high, SMT at the high, lower low, 5-minute closure below, retest of the breaker, which is this up close candle here. I'm anticipating right now that we run this liquidity, and let's see the hourly. Actually, we could even extend our TP a little bit towards this 4-hour low, because it is just super obvious. If we run out Asia low, I think we could. Let's continue down 20 points and run out that 4-hour sell side liquidity. So yeah, that makes our RR better as well. 1 or 2. But yeah, I do like the reaction off the breaker. Alright, there we go. And Asia low there. I'm anticipating if we just run out Asia low, this 4-hour buy side, this daily low is just such an obvious target. See, this daily low is our main target. Once we run that, I want to see us. Yeah, 6 points. Alright. This looks super good though. Let's see if we get it. We should just flush down. Wicked into the breaker block again. Should just take that out right now. Alright, tap into the breaker again. Still is valid. Should just flush down now. Take out Asia low. Take out this 4-hour sell side liquidity. Actually, this is daily. So huge liquidity pool there. Yo. Oh, we didn't take it out. Let me make sure ES isn't doing anything sketchy. Yeah. Wait, let's see if we take that out now. And right when we wick it, I'll be out. I'm not getting greedy here. 100 points. Yeah, it's more than enough. Yo. Chill. See if we run it right now. I'm gonna just set my TP for like data reasons at 1 to 2. There we go. Nice. So good risk to reward there, 1 to 2. The reason I didn't take any partials at equal lows here at 101, what I used to do in the past was take off like 50% of my position at 101. But then say it ran 1 to 2 after I took a partial here. Say it ran all the way here. The net profit on this position would only be 1R. So overall, it just would not be worth it to take that trade. Or it wouldn't be worth it to take partials at 101 because you might as well just close full at 101. If your max TP is 1 to 2 and you're taking a partial at 101, it's just not worth it, because if you take partial at 101 here, say you take off 50% at 101, leave the rest to run towards your max TP, which is a 1 to 2, the net profit of this trade would have been 1R. So it's more worth it. If you're gonna do that, you might as well just close at 101 and just take your 1R. But yeah, good risk here. 1 to 2 sweep of that daily sell side. I wanna make sure that's in the picture right there. Daily sell side was a very good draw on liquidity. I like how I played this. I like how I didn't take any partials. I didn't get fear. But yeah. I also want to show in the picture that there was a LRL. But yeah, entry here off this 1 minute inversion, delivery off the 4 minute, which was also in a premium, and SMT at the high as well. What made this really good as well is, I mentioned this before, but this wick out of this 1 minute fair value gap here just gave me extra confirmation that we want to continue lower, that we're now respecting bearish PD raise. I almost hesitated on taking this, but then I saw that, as well as being above in premium, this delivery off this 4 minute, and yeah, banger trade, 1 to 2 RR. Also, this 5 minute breaker gave me the confidence to hold towards full TP, because this breaker here was respected perfectly. This breaker block, high, low, higher high, lower low, this 5 minute close below structure, retest of this up close candle, then continue down. So this was honestly an amazing trade. Let's journal it. And yeah, so this did pay for the L's this week, so break even week. But yeah, break even week, so it is what it is. Just following the plan, delivery from gap, premium, equal lows below, low resistance, liquidity, inversion, SMT above, yes, 1 minute inversion, yeah, anticipatory breaker as well. Chart looks a little bit crazy right now, but that's alright. Did we have an open high? Also, this was 9:50 a.m. macro. Right there. Plus 2R, plus 1%. Finally a win after having a little bit of a losing streak here. Past 3 trades, but this is why RR is important. So it was on Friday. What was the date here? Friday 21st. Follow trading plan, yes. No news. Psychology good. Oh, and also for this back testing, I'm pretty much doing just like 1L and I'm done for the day. Because after 1L, I normally ruin my psychology when I'm like trading live. So that's a really important rule for me, is to just chill out after I take a loss. And yeah, we're gonna see that during the long run. That's gonna be something that is gonna help me out for sure. Let's throw in all this. Let's say this is A rated. The reason I wouldn't say this was A plus was because of this SMT here, and we're inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, so that's the reason I was a little bit sketched out before. But then I saw the breaker, then I saw we were in premium, delivery off this 4 minute was perfect, wick into that 1 minute was perfect as well. So yeah, I like that a lot, but A-rated. SMT at the high. Delivery from a 4 minute for value app. We had LRL below, equal low, below, daily sell side below, no partials here at 101, equal lows due to trade potential. Being a 1 and 2. So yeah, what I wrote here was, this is why it's important to not take partials at a 1-1 if the max potential of the trade is a 1 and 2. I explained it before. I kind of yapped on that, but that's something that I've realized, and it's something that's helping me a lot for sure. But yeah, next day here would be Monday. (9:45 a.m.) We'll do one more day. So getting in about like 3 days of data here. So yeah, 2R done for the day there. On that week, break even week. Up 2R this week, and then break even week again. I'm a break even warrior. But yeah, that's how it be. Yo, why did this not update? Did I put in the wrong date? Oh yeah, I put the wrong date. That's funny. Messed up my date. There we go. Now it should show up. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, by the way, if you guys want this Notion template, it's in my Discord as well. But yeah, we're gonna do one more day here of data. I'm gonna hop to Monday here, 24th. Do one more day, and then we're gonna wrap it up. What are we doing here? Looks like we're just dumping. Took out this weekly low. Do I have an unfilled weekly above us? Weekly sweep. Let's see the daily. Weekly unfilled above. Daily unfilled as well. Mark this up. Mark this up on a yes as well. Looks like we're just straight up melting here. Unfilled hourly gap right there. Mark that up on ES as well. We do have this hourly bearish order block there. 15. Let's see where we're at session wise. Looks like we're just selling off right now. I really don't want to be long here, since I do think this could just be continuation. See a higher time frame, where we at? 4 hour. Looks like we want to run out this daily swing low here. CES. Bullish SMT. I want to see if we got like a 4 hour swing. Do have these 4 hour swings I'm gonna keep marked up in case we do react. But yeah, session wise, there's not much here as for right now. Mark up these highs here, session highs of liquidity. I doubt we'll trade all the way back up there, but we'll keep it in mind. So took out that low. Let's see how 930 opens here. Oh, Judas tapping into the 15-minute. Low, high, lower, low. Potential bullish breaker though. We do have some unfilled hourly. Before shorting, I do want to wait for a tap into this hourly here. But yeah, let's see what we do here. High, low, higher, high. Anticipating bearish breaker as well. Let's see what we do. SMT there. Yo, what is this? Chop. Monday the 24th. No news. Or we have orange folders. Looks like we could be chopping before those. Alright, delivery here. Tab into premium, reaction off that 15-minute. I wonder if this is a fair value gap SMT or not. It is not. We have this LR below. Tap into premium. 1-minute inversion. See below us. mean, this short could work, but I'd rather wait. Anticipate breaker. Yeah, I'd rather wait for a run into this hourly before shorting. Ideally, we are higher time frame, super deep into discount. If there was equal lows here, I would try it, but there's no equal lows, so I'm not gonna take it. I don't like just targeting that LR. There is this 1 minute inversion, small low 1 minute inversion here. Also, there wasn't really a solid liquidity sweep. If we took out like this high, that would be better, but we don't really have a solid liquidity sweep. Did take out equal highs, but yeah, this could work. It's just I don't like how low we are. TP1 and then runners towards this low here. Also, this 5 minute closure above, low high, lower low, higher high. Yeah, tap into this bullish breaker area here. So yeah, I don't like shorting right now. But yeah, let's see if this plays out. I'm not taking this, but let's see, break even would be at like 101. Alright, so it did play out. But I don't know, I just didn't have confidence in this because we didn't tap up higher. Does look good in hindsight, but five-minute close above here. It looked like we wanted to run a little bit higher before distributing lower. Let's see here. Minute. We did sweep out that one low we had here on the 4 hour, that swing. Do have this type of breaker area here. Reacted off of that. One minute inversion. Delivery off OTE is nice. 10 a.m. Open high. SMT here. We do still have that 15-minute and the hourly unfilled gap above us. I could want to see these traded back too, but just way too bearish right now to be longing anything. See if we can run higher and then get a short. And yeah, no trades there. We did have this kind of missed entry, but I'm gonna journal it as a missed entry. Did play out, I just didn't have confidence to take it. But yeah, we're gonna journal this, even though we didn't take it. We're gonna mark up the reasons we didn't take it, and yeah. Actually, we're not going to journal it because then it's going to mess up calendar here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subbed yet, make sure to hit that sub button. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subs. Until next time, peace.